hear ye. Gather round, you tractor titans, you soil soldiers, you bale brawlers, the MX-170 is here.
The champ is here.
Dyno'd at a muscle flexing 200 horsepower. This beauty will plough through your to-do list as quick as you can say, where's my ticket? No troublesome front suspension. Tyres chunkier than your prized bull, and LED lights bright enough to outshine the full moon on silage night. Just like me, it's top heavy on the front. Full set of weights and a toe and eye. Now I told you the tyres are chunky, but I didn't tell you there were 540S's on the front and 650S's on the rear. In absolute immaculate condition, outside and inside, and also features this air seat. She has the heavy-duty Dromone hitch and controls in the mudguards. Oh, dust off your wellies and grab a ticket, and do not let this immaculate workhorse end up in some other farmer's shed. Get across onto the website, get your tickets bought, and you never know. Today could be a lucky day.